Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And for example, guys, I'm going to remove this phone from my video. First of all, we can duplicate this video. Tap on the video and you have to go to the duplicate option. Click on this duplicate option. Then we're going to overlay the video as well. We can click on overlay. Then you can drag the second video to make it align with the first video. And we're going to put mask to this video. We're going to put mask to cover the unwanted object. So we can go to mask, select the mask option, and for example, I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can take another part of this video to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part. I think this part will be suitable to cover it. Then we can click on this check mark and drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Feel free to rotate it if you need. Okay, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Then okay, this is the final result. And I know guys that this trick maybe can't be applied to all the videos you have, but at least here I just want to share to you the basic tutorial on how to remove unwanted object from our video using CapCut. Alright guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.